I'm holding on a sleek and stylish phone, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air. Now let's do a quick unboxing. Let's begin.
At this moment, what you see is the Magic 8 Pro Air's packaging box.
I noticed the exclamation mark on the packaging box. Those of you who've seen online images before will know this is probably the camera module structure. Now let's proceed with the unboxing.
Putting other things aside, this box is quite sturdy.
What's now appearing before everyone's eyes is the new Magic 8 Pro Air. I must say this phone is incredibly light. So light, holding it in my hand feels absolutely incredible. Let's perhaps set it down for a moment to check out its other specs. Right now, holding it in my hand, I really can't bear to put it down because the hand feel is simply fantastic.
What you're looking at right now is its phone case. It's a hard shell and the sides are not enclosed. This case is actually very lightweight. Below that, you'll find the charger. The entire charger is still quite compact.
From a design standpoint, it's more like a continuation of the 500 series, but I think the camera module looks better than the 500 Pro. In terms of craftsmanship, it should be an integrated cold carving process. From its camera module's thickness, you can tell where this pro-level heritage comes from. The front of the device features a 6.31-inch ultra-narrow flat display. The entire phone is only 6.1mm thick, making it incredibly slim and light. When you hold it, you won't feel any bulkiness at all. Plus, it has flat edges. If it had a curved screen, I genuinely worry it might slip from my grasp. What's even more incredible is, even with a case on, it still feels remarkably thin and light. It's thinner by several dimensions than many phones without a case. Regarding its weight, the device weighs 159 grams. Without the film, it should be around 155 or 56. The official figure given is 155. Overall, the Magic 8 Pro Air's design and look are truly captivating. Trust me, the moment you hold it, you'll know exactly what I mean. For those worried about its battery life, I can only say you're overthinking it because I've tested it for many hours.
I've said before that globally, when it comes to making thin and light phones, I believe Honor is truly the only company that can do it well, because they've already proven with countless foldable screens that their thin and light technology is genuinely unmatched by anyone. I also really hope everyone gets a chance to go and experience this phone in person. Its incredibly stunning hand feel is truly amazing. Next, I'll be bringing you a detailed unboxing, so today's video ends here. Bye bye.
Yadis, give me a quick follow.